what you do every day is absolutely essential for the world. And this is what motivates us here at WorkWave every single day. And our goal is to be the very best business partner for you in each of your core markets.
This is the future of WorkWave. We aren't just building you better features, we're helping you build better businesses. With a hybrid workforce, you plus your data plus your Wave teammates.
Our focus isn't on building a generic platform that tries to solve every problem for every industry, but instead to focus on the very specific needs of our security, cleaning, pest, and green customers.
FinTech products like earned wage access and payroll help keep workers motivated, help them get attracted to you as an employer, help keep them engaged every day, and ultimately help them retain for longer and be more loyal employees.
Command your data, power decisions with AI, that's our focus. And ultimately what it means is that we want to be able to allow you to predict, prescribe, act, and outperform.
Our mission is really simple. We're here to provide you the tools, the technology, the services to help you keep the world safe, clean, and beautiful.